Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Teams step by step. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Also, we all know that how widely this Microsoft Teams are being used nowadays. So let's see how we can download and install. So in front of you, I have opened this official Microsoft site where we have this. So click on download for desktop. So this is for home, small business, for work or school, whichever is applicable for you. So I click on this and it is downloading. So it's downloaded exe. So I'm gonna run. It is running. So it is installed. I need to click on get started. So it is asking me to log in. So I'm gonna log in. So that's it guys. I managed to log in and I'm all good to go. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.